This is the beginning of how they used to make the Chinese swords, all the Western knives.
Is that how you make a chisel too?
You could make tools this way. When they came in the Old West, that's what they used a lot. All the warriors in Rome and Greece, they made all their tools this way from bronze. Okay, so now probably a little too cool to keep forging or hammer and anvil. So what we're going to do is put it in again.
I want to put it in.
Actually, what we're going to do is put another one in.
Whoa! Whoa!
And what I'm going to do